Hello! ¿Qué pasa? Here we are. Publisher. Starting with project 1. I'm going to combine 3 projects into this one screencast because this is a good thing about Publisher and what Microsoft is all about. It's keeping everything looking uniform. So notice these ribbons look very similar, and there's nothing really new in Publisher that you haven't seen in Word and Excel. So I'll keep this brief as I can. And you know, these first 3 projects that we're going to be doing, they just kind of get your feet wet with Publisher. But what Publisher is, guys, is just a way to produce flyers, banners, bumper stickers, anything that you can think of producing something. You know, where Word was a word processing, Excel dealt with numbers. This is just any type of information that you want to display. Now, I know there's a lot of software out there on the internet that, you know, is kind of making Publisher not look as good as it used to. But it's still pretty good. But Microsoft Publisher needs to get with the times a little, make it a little more jazzy, a little more interesting. All right, but notice ribbons up the top, kind of the same as what you've been seeing in the past. Little differences here, though. Check out these rulers. These rulers come in handy a lot. Okay, so we have our vertical ruler and our horizontal ruler. They're going to come in handy. We're going to use them a lot with Publisher. What I like to do a lot is hold in Control and then use your scroll wheel. I like to zoom in on things and not have it so far apart, but then also I like to zoom out after I'm making something to look at it to see what it looks like. So this kind of gives you a print preview without having to go to File, you know, Print Preview. I have no idea what I just clicked. Oh, I just clicked that by accident. Alright, so check that out. Hey, a little something you can move the rulers around if you want. Okay, so Control, so zoom this in and out. Alright, now, if you want to insert text, notice this is very different than Word and Excel. You can't just start typing. There's no cursor, okay? So in order to start typing, I just insert a text box. Let me just like this. All you have to do is just go to Insert and then draw a text box. And then what you do is just draw it, any text box, kind of whatever size you want. And by default, it's Calibri 10. So notice I'm typing. I can't see very well. So then I can do Control and zoom in if I want, you know. Or you can make your font larger depending on what you need to be doing. Okay, so we always have to insert text boxes, and that's a good thing because it gives us the freedom to do whatever we want to do wherever we want to do it. And then, you know, we can just move this text box wherever we want to put it. You can rotate this text box if you need to. Okay, that's really nice because, you know, Word and Excel, there was a lot of restrictions on where you could put stuff. Now just move around wherever you want. Also over here you can store things over on the side, guys, which is really nice. It's allows you just to put things, if you don't want to use it right now, keep it over here and then slap it on here in the future. Okay, so that's a nice little tool. Alright, trying to keep it short here for you. In project 3, it tells you to pull down a horizontal guide at 1 inch. All you have to do is just click in the ruler, whatever ruler you want to do. Click in this ruler and then just drag down. Okay, notice it's putting horizontal guides. It helps you when you're trying to measure. You want a vertical guide, just click over and just put these anywhere you want. And you can look at the ruler and place them. Now, you're done with these, you don't want them, all you have to do is just click it and just pull it off your page. Okay, that's how you get rid of them. Alright, but we're just getting our feet wet. Don't want to take too much of your time. That's just, you know, these first 3, pretty simple. Alright, let me know if you have any problems. Bye.